Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out list of top 5 best mini drone cameras in 2021. Even if you have no good reason to justify buying one, you have to admit that mini drones are cool. Some are glorified tech toys, but the models we highlight here are fit for use in imaging and cinematic applications, small and large. That's why we've done the research for you to ensure you always have access to the best mini drone with 4K cameras. For further information, you should check the links in description below. Okay, so let's get started with video.
Anafi is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. Anafi is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21-megapixel photos.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
For breathtaking high-definition video, wherever you go. With wide-angle view and smart flying features, Syma introduces W1 Pro, an intelligent and compact flying camera that you'll want to bring everywhere. W1 Pro can shoot, edit and share videos and photos with just a few easy steps. Close to home or in exotic locations, W1 Pro is your eye in the sky. W1 Pro uses an innovative dual camera system. The 1080p front camera with wide-angle lens creates high-quality immersive images, while the second camera at the bottom allows for unique vertical shots and added flying stability with optical flow positioning. W1 Pro can be controlled with simple hand motions. It can also recognize and follow a person or a mobile device using accurate GPS positioning. At your signal, it knows when you want to take a photo and/or start recording a video. With dual brand transmission and high-efficiency brushless motors, the W1 Pro remains stable even in adverse conditions. But wait! And let's see how W1 Pro's smart features make flying easier than ever. Combined with a VR headset, W1 Pro offers the most immersive flying experience. With over 18 minutes of flight time and up to 250 meters of smooth real-time video transmission, let W1 Pro take control by simply pointing at the map where you want it to go. Low battery? Don't worry. W1 Pro knows when the power is running low and returns on its own. With its innovative features, high-quality camera and compact body, W1 Pro is the perfect creative companion. Can shoot and edit creative videos and share great moments.
Traverse landscapes and experience a visual shock beyond imagination. HS720 eye-catching debut. The 2K video camera with shock absorption can tilt 90 degrees down to take bird's-eye view shots. Optical flow adapts to various ground textures for stable hovering indoors. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for the highest aerodynamic efficiency. Built-in metallurgical gear shaft for smooth movements. Ultra-high-grade steel precision material used to create the high-quality fuselage. A military-grade battery that is safe and durable with a longer flight time of up to 26 minutes. HS720 has been redesigned from the ground up. Beautiful landscapes are everywhere. To capture this beauty, you need to find the best perspective. The HS720 helps you achieve this with ease. GPS Gloneless Dual Mode Positioning System achieves fast, accurate, and stable positioning. Real-time video transmission for a totally immersive experience. Awaken your desire for flight. See things from the air that are not possible from ground photography. Enjoy unprecedented sensory experience. With just one click, one can engage orbit mode and capture yourself with your surroundings. Each expedition can be played back perfectly. For the future, it's easy to plan. Automatically fly along the path you set. Share your videos and pictures with one click. Intelligent Control Program makes beginners get started effortlessly. The HS720 will follow you like your shadow. Easily get professional images every time. The RTH function will bring the HS720 back to you every time.
This is the Kudrone Mini Drone. It's a unique palm-sized quadcopter that captures crisp 4K image, HD 1080p, and panoramic photos. And what's more, the Kudrone pilots conveniently and effortlessly through your smartphone. With GPS and vision positioning, it will follow you wherever you go. At only 3 ounces, its compact and lightweight design allows you to take it with you anywhere. Kudrone's advanced 4K camera, positioning system, and internal balancing technology combine for precision hovering. Get that perfect shot, video, or selfie every time. Take it up a notch with a 360 spin for aerial panorama photos. And the live stream technology allows for instant sharing. You can even set the Kudrone to follow you and track you, so you can capture that perfect ride. Infrared and sonar sensors let you fly, even indoors. The Kudrone Mini Drone. Power, precision, performance.
Hey there, we're happy to introduce you to the new Skydio 2. We're really excited about this drone, and in this video, we're going to walk you through some of the basics. Let's take a quick look at what comes with your Skydio 2. Everything ships in this awesome, durable hard case. Inside the case, we have the Skydio 2, one battery, the charging power adapter, a USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable, a microfiber cloth to help keep all of the cameras smudge-free, and an extra set of propellers. The only thing that you'll need to bring to the party is your own micro SD card. The Skydio 2 requires a UHS Speed Class 3 or faster micro SD card. You can find these online or at any retail electronics or mobile phone outlet. Skydio 2 uses Wi-Fi to communicate with your phone and other Skydio accessories. Launching Skydio 2 is as simple as holding the launch button. When Skydio 2 is not following a subject, you have full manual flight control from within the app. But after it launches, you can tap the plus symbol on any subject in the current frame within the app to track that subject's motion. Your Skydio 2 will now follow that subject and fly itself to get the best shot. Skydio 2 can follow people or cars, and at any time during flight, you can manually take control of the drone for any reason by tapping the red stop button in the upper right corner of the app. You can easily switch between video and still photo modes via the camera settings menu at the top of the screen. Okay, let's take a quick look at some of those cinematic skills which are accessed through the button in the lower left of the screen. You can think of skills as additional ways to unlock greater creative potential when you're trying to get that perfect shot. Motion tracking is the default skill, and note that you can adjust the height and range of your shot while in most modes. Orbit locks Skydio 2 into an orbit around your subject at your desired distance and speed. Cable Cam gives you the ability to set a start and an end point to your flight and adjust the angle of the camera as Skydio 2 moves through that shot that you've defined. There are, of course, many other skills to explore here and lots of amazing creative potential to unlock, so be sure to check out our support site for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. The first thing you'll want to do after unboxing your Skydio 2 is charge up your batteries. Skydio 2's batteries are held in place by strong magnets and are charged through the USB-C port on the vehicle. Once fully charged, you'll get about 23 minutes of flight time from a single battery. When it's time to land, you'll want to look for a clear, flat spot away from obstacles and other people. Just tap and hold the land button to land. Skydio 2 will automatically lower itself to the ground safely. After your flight, you can use the Skydio 2 app to create clips of your flight and quickly share them right from your phone.